My art, my vlog. Friends, today we draw drawings with using letters and numbers. This is a S. And we draw eyes now. Okay. Then we draw hairs and feathers. This is looking like a bird, and this is finished. It's finished. This is a duck swimming in water. Oh, 200. What is this? A circle, ears, eyes. Yes. So cute. Eyes are very beautiful and cute. And this is a mouth. Face is almost ready. Wow. Okay. 0 is converted into hands. And oh, this is a rat. No, rabbit. This is not a rat, this is a rabbit. Okay, 66. Number 66. This is interesting. What we draw? They are feathers and their legs. This is a bird, and this is second bird. Eyes and feather. They are so cute. Wow. Then we draw a wood or a oh, this is a wood and some leaves. A branch of tree. So beautiful. This is M, and we draw now some lines. Okay. And this is looking like a chair. Yes, this is a chair. Let's color our drawings. Yellow color. We color duck with yellow color. Many things have yellow color like mango, sun, some jewelries, and etc. Many things. Wow. This is looking very beautiful. This is red color and pink. Oh, so cute. Now we color rabbit's ears with blue color. This is very cute. Cutie beauty. Okay, we draw a tail of rabbit and color with baby pink color. Wow, it is so cute. And we color birds now. Orange color, yellow color. I hope you want what is the color of next and enjoy this video. There is many colors, many drawings, many ideas. Okay, pink, purple, blue, light blue, green, then yellow color. It is very beautiful and colorful like a rainbow. Wow. Blue color. Birds are looking very beautiful and colorful. Our leaves are green and branch is brown. Wood color. Okay. Birds are looking very happy. Then we draw chair and color chair red color, yellow color, and blue color. Okay, green color. Oh, our drawing is complete. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.